What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the OtterBox Symmetry Case Marvel Edition for the iPhone 10. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So one thing I've always liked about this Symmetry lineup is that OtterBox always introduces new styles and colors since this is such a popular series of cases. And today I want to share with you guys their new Marvel Edition cases, and I have 4 of them here to show off on the iPhone 10. So the first model that we have here is called, and I'm probably saying this wrong, but Thanos, which has a really nice matte black and this blue face to it. And this one is from the Avengers Infinity War. And I actually kind of like this design. The face is all glossy and the rest of the background here has a nice black sheen to it. The graphics on this case are very high quality, solid colors, and very detailed. So here's what this model looks like on the iPhone 10. It looks really sharp on it, particularly because it has the black TPU borders to match the black front, as well as the back, which has a black background. Now aside from the graphical design, you get all the benefits of the Symmetry lineup, which is a slim case in a protective design that is OtterBox certified protection. You can see the TPU bezel here wraps around the entire border of the phone as well as the top part. Full access to all your ports on the bottom, covers for your volume rockers as well as your power button, and of course the cutout for the camera and flash. And that is the Thanos model from OtterBox. So the next case that we have here from the Avengers is called the Assemble case. And this one here has a bunch of faces from the Avengers, Iron Man, Spider-Man, and a few others, and a bit of like a abstract design to it. Again, a very high quality printout with a nice glossy sheen. Here's the iPhone 10 in the case. You can see it looks pretty sharp on it, especially with the black TPU borders. And overall, a nice looking case for those of you Avenger fans. The third case that we have here is called the Wakanda Forever. Again, a very nice high quality graphical printout, and this one's a little bit different. It has kind of like a blueprint style design where you can see the lines on the right side but moving towards a more detailed image on the left. And here's what the case looks like with the iPhone 10 in it. You can also see the back also has a glossy slick finish to it. A great choice for those of you who are a fan of this character. And last but not least is the Iron Man model. One unique feature that sets this case apart from the others is that this has glow-in-the-dark properties. So take a closer look. You can see it's a red and gold theme with a red TPU border. Here's a closer look at what the case looks like with the iPhone 10 in it. Really like how this red and black kind of contrast each other nicely. And my camera can kind of pick it up. You can see the eyes as well as all the lines glow in the dark a bit. Overall, this one's probably my favorite of the 4 just because I'm a big Iron Man fan, and I think OtterBox chose a really good design for this particular Iron Man model. So what do you guys think of OtterBox's new Avengers line of cases? Do you have a favorite model? Do you have one that you would like to see? Let me know in the comment section there down below. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.